everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify can't log in. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify can't log in, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you'll enter to the window of Spotify. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. Here we click clear cache. We go to Play Store. You'll find Spotify music and podcasts. If you find here in this blue sign updates, then you can click to update your application of Spotify. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.